In today's video, I'll show you how to vlog like a Bigfoot, just like me.
You've probably seen these viral Bigfoot or Yeti videos popping up everywhere lately, right? They look super cinematic, have voiceovers, sound effects, and the craziest part, they're made entirely with AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make such videos using VEO3. And then we'll try the same with Edimakor, which is another powerful AI video tool. Let's jump right in. To begin, we'll need access to VEO3. For that, head over to Gemini and make sure the 2.5 flash model is selected. Once you're there, click on the Video tab, and you'll see that VEO3 is ready to go. Next, we'll paste the prompt we created and simply hit Submit, and VEO3 will start generating your video. It usually takes about a minute, and there you go. The video is generated.
In today's video, I'll show you how to vlog like a Bigfoot, just like me.
As you can see, it includes voiceover, sound effects, and everything automatically. Let me show you another example. Pasted the prompt, click Submit, and boom, another amazing video is ready.
You won't believe who I just ran into today, Hal. This is crazy. It feels like he's my long-lost cousin from the cold.
You can clearly see how advanced AI has become. Now, let's talk about an amazing alternative. Edimakor. If you don't already have it, there's a download link in the description below. Now, with Edimakor, you can either generate videos using only text or upload your prepared image and turn it into a video. Here I've prepared some images. Start by uploading the Bigfoot image. Then, paste the prompt into the input section. You'll get options to choose the video duration and set the quality. Once that's done, just click Generate, and in a few moments, your amazing video will be ready. And you can see how amazing the result turned out. Now, drag your video clip to the timeline. Then go to the audio section. Paste in your dialogue, choose a voice you like, and boom, your voiceover is generated automatically. You can tweak the video speed slightly if you want it to match the voiceover timing better. Now, if you've got multiple scenes, just repeat this process. Generate another image, make another video, drag it to the timeline, and add more voiceovers. Once everything's in place, add smooth transitions and some background music. Your Bigfoot vlog is ready to go.
In today's video, I'll show you how to vlog like a Bigfoot, just like me. You won't believe who I just ran into today. This is crazy. It feels like he's my long-lost cousin from the cold.
Give it a try. It's simpler than it looks. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.